Young people are a key focus of New Zealand's welfare reforms. They need to learn to earn if they're younger than 18, and that goes for solo parents as well.
Nearly 70% of the forward cost of the benefit system is accounted for by people who first went on a benefit before the age of 20.
The Australian government is keen to follow New Zealand's so-called investment model and its simpler benefit structure. New Zealand has 3 major benefits for job seekers, solo parents and the long-term disabled and their carers. There are also tougher obligations and sanctions.
Has life changed for you since the new benefits were introduced?
Yeah, it made it very harder. Way more harder.
The Social Development Minister, Paula Bennett, says reforms are working.
Well, we're at a 5-year low. So, that's really something. We're back at the March 2009 numbers. So we have seen 15,000 people in the last 12 months go off welfare and into work.
But family support services say beneficiaries who move into work aren't always better off as the number of working poor grows.
This last 12 months we've seen a 69% spike in the number of requests we get for food assistance.
But all sides in the welfare debate are united on one point, that the success of the welfare system will depend on its flexibility. Dominique Schwartz, ABC News, Auckland.